Jeep Patriot. Look, there's a crazy oil leak. Yeah, crazy oil leak going on over there on the pan. So I'm gonna be changing the gasket. So in order to change the gasket, you have to take away this bracket that is connected to the AC compressor. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that holds the bracket on to the AC compressor. There's a 13mm socket. So take those 4 bolts off to get that socket out of your way so that you can take those 10mm bolts that are holding the pan on. But before you do that, you have to use a 17mm socket to drain the oil plug, to pull the oil plug to drain the oil. And once you get these 4 bolts off, get the bracket off, then you take the pan off